Turkey, where centuries-old traditions blend with bustling bazaars, fragrant spices, and a food culture shaped by empires, regions, and generations. From sizzling kebabs and freshly baked breads to rich desserts and comforting home-style dishes, Turkish cuisine is more than just food, it's a delicious journey through history, culture, and unforgettable flavors. I am Aditya, and today in Dynamic Expeditions, episode 149, we explore top 10 Turkish foods worth traveling for vertical bar flavors you can't miss. Let's begin this flavorful expedition. Today's 10th Turkish street food classic is simit. Fork and knife foodie description. Simit is a golden, ring-shaped Turkish bread generously covered with toasted sesame seeds. Its crisp, nutty exterior gives way to a soft, chewy center with a warm, mildly savory flavor. Fresh from the oven, it is often enjoyed with white cheese, olives, tomatoes, cucumber, and a steaming glass of Turkish tea. Place-setting foodie intro. Imagine walking through Istanbul early in the morning as the streets come alive and the aroma of freshly baked sesame bread fills the air. A traditional simitsi passes by with a tray of golden rings. You take a bite and experience the crisp sesame coating followed by warm, chewy bread. This simple street food has become one of Istanbul's most recognizable flavors. Scroll history. Simit has been part of Istanbul's food culture for centuries and became especially popular during the Ottoman period. Over generations, simit sellers became a familiar sight across the city's streets. Fun facts. Traditional simit sellers are called simitsi. Simit is most commonly enjoyed at breakfast but is also a popular snack throughout the day. Cultural importance. Simit represents everyday Turkish life, enjoyed by students, workers, commuters, and travelers alike. Money back price. Approximately 15 to 30 rupees to 60 rupees per piece. Alarm clock best time to try. 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Fork and knife best place to try. Eminönü or Sarkesi, Istanbul. 1 o'clock vendor timing. Many vendors start early in the morning and continue throughout the day. Tram travel tips and transport. Starting point Sultanahmet. Take the T1 tram toward Kabataş from Sultanahmet tram station. Best time 7 o'clock to 9 a.m. Get off Eminönü. Tram approximately 46 try 92 rupees. From Eminönü station, walk 3 to 5 minutes toward the waterfront and surrounding streets. Walking 0 try 0 rupees. Total approximately 46 try 92 rupees one way. Travel tip. Visit in the morning for the freshest simit and pair it with traditional Turkish tea. Final thoughts. Simit proves that sometimes the simplest food can create the most authentic travel memory. Today's 9th Turkish breakfast favorite is menemen. Fork and knife foodie description. Menemen is a rich Turkish egg dish made with ripe tomatoes, green peppers, olive oil, and seasonings. The tomatoes create a juicy, slightly sweet base, while the peppers add freshness and a gentle kick. The creamy eggs are perfect for scooping up with warm Turkish bread. Place-setting foodie intro. Imagine sitting at a traditional Turkish breakfast table as a hot pan arrives, filled with bubbling tomatoes, green peppers, and creamy eggs. Steam rises as you tear off warm bread and dip it into the rich sauce. This is menemen, simple, rustic, and incredibly satisfying. Scroll history. Menemen developed within Turkey's traditional home cooking and breakfast culture and gradually became a beloved part of the country's breakfast tradition. Fun facts. One of Turkey's most famous food debates is whether onions belong in menemen. Some insist on onions, while others prefer the classic version without them. Cultural importance. Turkish breakfast is traditionally a social experience with bread, cheese, olives, vegetables, eggs, jams, honey, and tea often covering the table. Menemen fits perfectly into this relaxed tradition. Money bag price. Approximately 200 to 500 try 400 rupees to 1000 rupees. Alarm clock best time to try. 8 am to 11 am. Fork and knife best restaurant. Lades Menemen, Istanbul. 1 o'clock restaurant timing. Generally operates during morning and early afternoon breakfast hours. Tram travel tips and transport. Starting point Sultanahmet. Take the T1 tram toward Kabatas. Best time 8 o'clock to 9 am. Get off Kabatas. Tram approximately 46 try 92 rupees. Then take the F1 funicular from Kabatas directly toward Taksim. Funicular approximately 46 try 92 rupees. From Taksim, walk approximately 10 to 15 minutes to the restaurant. Walking 0 try 0 rupees. Total approximately 92 try 184 rupees one way. Travel tip. Try Menemen during breakfast hours and order plenty of fresh bread. It's essential for scooping up the creamy tomato and egg mixture. Final thoughts. Menemen proves that a handful of humble ingredients can create one of Turkey's most comforting breakfast experiences. Today's 8th Turkish crispy specialty is lahmacun. Fork and knife foodie description. Lahmacun is an ultra-thin Turkish flatbread topped with minced meat, tomatoes, peppers, onions, herbs, and spices. Baked in a blazing oven, it develops beautifully crisp edges and a rich, savory aroma. Fresh parsley and lemon are commonly added before rolling it up for the perfect bite. Place-setting foodie intro. Picture a baker sliding paper-thin dough into a traditional hot oven. Minutes later, it emerges golden and crispy, filled with the aroma of roasted meat, herbs, peppers, and spices. Add fresh parsley, squeeze over some lemon, roll it up, and you have lahmacun, crispy, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. Scroll history. Lahmacun has roots in Anatolian and wider Middle Eastern culinary traditions. Turkey developed many regional versions, particularly in the southeastern regions. Fun facts. Travelers often call lahmacun Turkish pizza, although locals generally consider it a completely distinct dish. Its extremely thin base also gives it a much crispier texture than conventional pizza. Cultural importance. Lahmacun highlights the regional diversity of Turkish cuisine, with different areas using their own combinations of spices, herbs, and meat. Money bag price. Approximately 70 to 150 try 140 rupees to 300 rupees each. Alarm clock best time to try. 12 pm to 3 pm or 6 pm to 9 pm. Fork and knife best place. Traditional lahmacun restaurants around Bomonti, Istanbul. 1 o'clock restaurant timing. Most lahmacun restaurants operate from late morning through evening. Metro travel tips and transport. Starting point Sultanahmet. Take the T1 tram toward Kabatas. Cost approximately 46 try 92 rupees. Get off at Kabatas. Then take the F1 funicular toward Taksim. Cost approximately 46 try 92 rupees. At Taksim, take the M2 metro toward Hak Osman. Get off at Osman Bey. Cost approximately 46 try 92 rupees. From Osman Bey, walk approximately 10 to 15 minutes toward Bomonti. Walking free. Total approximately 138 try 276 rupees one way. Travel tip. Always eat lahmacun immediately after it comes out of the oven while the edges are still crispy. Add fresh parsley and lemon for the classic experience. Final thoughts. Crispy, aromatic, affordable, and packed with regional character, lahmacun is a must-try Turkish food experience. Today's 7th Turkish oven-baked favorite is pide. Fork and knife foodie description. Pide is a long, boat-shaped Turkish flatbread with a crisp outer crust and a soft, steaming center. Depending on the variety, it can be topped with melted cheese, minced meat, vegetables, eggs, sukuk, or delicious combinations of several ingredients. The result is warm, savory, cheesy, and incredibly satisfying. Place-setting foodie intro. Imagine watching a baker pull a long, golden, boat-shaped bread from a traditional stone oven. The crust crackles as it reaches the table, while melted cheese or sizzling minced meat fills the center. A knife cuts through the crispy edges, revealing the soft, steaming interior. That is pide. Scroll history. Pide is deeply connected with Turkish baking traditions and is enjoyed throughout the country. The Black Sea region is particularly famous for its distinctive varieties. Fun facts. Pide comes with an enormous variety of toppings. Some versions focus on cheese, while others feature meat, eggs, vegetables, sukuk, or combinations of several ingredients. Cultural importance. Pide is classic Turkish comfort food. Specialized restaurants known as pidesi can be found throughout Turkey. Money back price. Approximately 200 to 450 try 400 rupees to 900 rupees. Alarm clock best time to try. 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. or 6 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Fork and knife best place. A traditional pidesi in central Istanbul. 1 o'clock restaurant timing. Most pide restaurants operate from late morning through evening. Metro travel tips and transport. Starting point, Taksim. Take the M2 metro toward the district where your chosen traditional pidesi is located. Best time, 12 o'clock to 2 p.m. Metro, approximately 46 try 92 rupees. From the nearest station, walk approximately 5 to 10 minutes toward the restaurant. Walking, free. Taxi alternative. A taxi from central Istanbul may cost approximately 250 to 600 try 500 rupees to 1200 rupees, depending on distance and traffic. Travel tip. Order your pide fresh from the oven and eat it while the crust is still crisp and the filling is steaming hot. Final thoughts. Pide is warm, filling, customizable, and perfect for a relaxed Turkish lunch or dinner. Today's 6th Turkish dumpling specialty is mantı. Fork and knife foodie description. Mantı consists of tiny handmade dough dumplings filled with seasoned meat and traditionally served beneath creamy garlic yogurt. Melted butter infused with spices is poured over the top, creating a rich aroma and contrasting textures between tender dumplings, cool yogurt, and warm buttery sauce. Place-setting foodie intro. Imagine a ball arriving at your table filled with dozens of tiny handmade dumplings. A cool layer of garlic yogurt covers them, followed by sizzling butter and aromatic spices. You take your first bite and experience tender dough, seasoned meat, creamy yogurt, and warm buttery flavor all at once. This is mantı. Scroll history. Mantı has connections to Central Asian and Anatolian culinary traditions. In Turkey, it became particularly associated with kaseri, which developed one of the country's most famous versions. Fun facts. Traditional Turkish mantı can be incredibly tiny. Making large quantities by hand requires considerable patience and culinary skill. Cultural importance. Mantı is closely connected with family cooking, regional identity, and traditional craftsmanship. Money bag price. Approximately 250 to 600 try 500 rupees to 1200 rupees. Alarm clock best time to try. 12 pm to 3 pm or 6 pm to 9 pm. Fork and knife best place. Traditional mantı restaurants in Kayseri, Turkey. 1 o'clock restaurant timing. Traditional mantı restaurants generally operate from late morning through evening. Airplane travel tips and transport. Starting point, Istanbul. Take a domestic flight from Istanbul Airport to Kayseri Airport. Best departure, 7 o'clock to 9 am. Flight, approximately 1,800 to 3,500 try 3,600 rupees to 7,000 rupees one way. From Kayseri Airport, take an airport shuttle toward the city center. Shuttle, approximately 150 to 300 try 300 rupees to 600 rupees. From the city center, take a local bus toward your chosen restaurant. Bus, approximately 30 to 70 try 60 rupees to 140 rupees. Alternatively, take a taxi. Taxi, approximately 500 to 1000 try 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees. Finally, walk approximately 5 to 10 minutes to the restaurant. Walking free. Travel tip. If mantı is one of the main reasons you are visiting Turkey, Kayseri offers one of the strongest regional experiences. Final thoughts. Mantı proves that Turkish cuisine isn't only about grilled meat. Sometimes the smallest dishes require the greatest craftsmanship. Today's fifth Turkish street food icon is Dana kebab. Fork and knife foodie description. Dana consists of seasoned meat slowly roasted on a vertical rotating spit. As the outer layer turns golden and caramelized, thin slices are shaved away, giving every bite a combination of juicy meat, crispy edges, herbs, sauces, and warm bread or flatbread. Place-setting foodie intro. Now imagine standing beside a busy Turkish street food shop. A giant vertical spit slowly rotates in front of the flames. The outer layer of meat turns golden brown before a chef expertly slices it into thin pieces. The aroma fills the street. That is Dana, one of Turkey's greatest culinary exports. Scroll history. Dana developed within the Ottoman culinary world and eventually became one of the defining foods of modern Turkey. It later spread across Europe and became a global street food phenomenon. Fun facts. The word Dana refers to turning or rotating. The meat continuously rotates while the cooked outer layer is sliced away. Cultural importance. Dana is one of the clearest examples of Turkish cuisine becoming internationally famous. Money bag price. Approximately 120 to 250 try 240 rupees to 500 rupees. Alarm clock best time to try. 12 pm to 3 pm, 6 pm to 10 pm, or late at night. Fork and knife best place. Traditional Dana restaurants around Sultanahmet, Istanbul. 1 o'clock restaurant timing. Many Dana restaurants operate throughout the evening, with some locations staying open late. Pedestrian travel tips and transport. Starting point, Sultanahmet. If you are staying around Sultanahmet, walking is easiest. Walking time, approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Cost free. From Taksim. Take the F1 funicular from Taksim to Kabatas. Cost approximately 46 try 92 rupees. Then take the T1 tram from Kabatas toward Buckler. Get off at Sultanahmet. Cost approximately 46 try 92 rupees. Walk approximately 5 to 10 minutes to the restaurant. Walking free. Total approximately 92 try 184 rupees one way. Travel tip. Choose a busy restaurant where the dana is continuously rotating and freshly sliced. Final thoughts. Dana may be familiar around the world, but eating it where the tradition originated makes the experience completely different. Today's fourth Turkish grilled specialty is Adana kebab. Fork and knife foodie description. Adana kebab is made from seasoned minced meat shaped around a wide skewer and grilled over hot charcoal. The outside develops a smoky, slightly crisp surface while the inside remains juicy and tender. Red pepper and spices provide a distinctive savory heat, while grilled vegetables and flatbread complete the plate. Place sitting foodie intro. Picture a charcoal grill glowing beneath rows of wide kebab skewers. Smoke rises as seasoned minced meat hits the heat. The aroma of charcoal, spices, and roasted meat fills the air. This is Adana kebab, bold, smoky, spicy, and unmistakably Turkish. Scroll history. The dish developed in southern Turkey and takes its name from Adana, the city where it became a culinary icon. Fun facts. Authentic Adana kebab is traditionally prepared with seasoned minced meat and cooked over charcoal. The wide skewer helps create its distinctive shape. Cultural importance. Adana kebab demonstrates how strongly Turkish cuisine is connected with regional identity. Money bag price. Approximately 400 to 800 try 800 rupees to 1600 rupees. Alarm clock best time to try. 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Fork and knife best place. A traditional Adana kebab restaurant in Adana. 1 o'clock restaurant timing. Traditional kebab restaurants generally serve lunch and evening meals. Airplane travel tips and transport. Starting point, Istanbul. Take a domestic flight from Istanbul Airport to Çukurova International Airport. Best departure. Morning or early afternoon. Flight, approximately 1,700 to 3,500 try 3,400 rupees to 7,000 rupees one way. From the airport, take an airport shuttle toward Adana. Shuttle, approximately 150 to 300 try 300 rupees to 600 rupees. From Adana city, take a local bus toward your selected restaurant. Bus, approximately 30 to 70 try 60 rupees to 140 rupees. Or take a taxi. Taxi, approximately 500 to 1000 try 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees. Walk approximately 5 to 10 minutes from the nearest drop-off point. Walking free. Travel tip. If you are specifically chasing authentic Adana kebab, eating it in Adana itself gives you the strongest regional experience. Final thoughts. If you love smoky grilled meat with a serious kick, Adana kebab deserves a place on your Turkish food itinerary. Today's third Turkish kebab masterpiece is Iskender kebab. Fork and knife foodie description. Iskender kebab features thin slices of roasted Dana-style meat arranged over soft pieces of white bread. Rich tomato sauce is poured over the bread, creamy yogurt is served alongside it, and sizzling melted butter is added just before serving. The combination creates layers of crispy edges, soft bread, tender meat, tangy yogurt, rich butter, and sweet savory tomato sauce. Place sitting foodie intro. Imagine a steaming plate arriving at your table. Thin slices of tender meat sit over pieces of soft bread while bright tomato sauce surrounds them. Then comes the final touch, sizzling butter poured over the top. A spoonful brings together meat, bread, sauce, yogurt, and butter. This is Iskandar Kebab. Scroll history. Iskandar Kebab originated in Bursa and is traditionally associated with Iskandar Effendi. The dish became one of Bursa's signature culinary creations during the 19th century. Fun facts. The hot butter is often poured over the dish immediately before serving. Bursa remains the most important destination for travelers wanting the traditional version. Cultural importance. Iskandar Kebab is deeply connected with Bursa's culinary identity and Ottoman era food traditions. Money back price. Approximately 600 to 1200. Try 1200 rupees to 2400 rupees. Alarm clock best time to try. 12 pm to 2:30 pm or 6 pm to 9 pm. Fork and knife best place. A traditional Iskandar restaurant in Bursa's historic center. 1 o'clock restaurant timing. Traditional Bursa Kebab restaurants generally serve lunch through evening. Ferry travel tips and transport. Starting point, Istanbul. First use Istanbul's metro, tram, or bus network to reach the appropriate intercity ferry terminal. Best departure, 8 o'clock to 9 am. Local transport, approximately 46 to 100. Try 92 rupees to 200 rupees. Then take an intercity ferry connection towards Bursa. Ferry, approximately 300 to 600. Try 600 rupees to 1200 rupees. From the arrival terminal, take a local bus towards central Bursa. Bus, approximately 30 to 70. Try 60 rupees to 140 rupees. Alternatively, use a taxi. Taxi, approximately 300 to 700. Try 600 rupees to 1400 rupees. Then walk approximately 5 to 10 minutes to the restaurant. Walking free. Travel tip. Reach Bursa around lunchtime so you can enjoy the dish in its home city and still have time to explore the historic center afterward. Final thoughts. Iskandar Kebab brings bread, meat, tomato, yogurt, butter, and history together on one unforgettable plate. Today's second Turkish sweet specialty is kunefe. Fork and knife foodie description. Kunefe is made from delicate shredded pastry wrapped around soft, stretchy cheese. The pastry is cooked until golden and crisp, then soaked with fragrant syrup and finished with crushed pistachios. The contrast is extraordinary: crunchy pastry on the outside, warm melted cheese inside, followed by sweet syrup and nutty pistachio. Place-setting foodie intro. Now it's time to end our savory journey with something sweet. A hot copper pan arrives at the table holding a golden, bubbling dessert. The pastry crackles as you cut through it. Then comes the cheese, warm, soft, and stretchy. Sweet syrup slowly sinks through the crispy layers while pistachios finish the dish. This is kunefe. Scroll history. Kunefe has strong roots in southern Turkey and is particularly associated with Hatay. It belongs to a wider family of syrup-based desserts found throughout the eastern Mediterranean. Fun facts. Unlike many desserts, kunefe is normally served hot. The mild cheese balances the sweetness of the syrup. Cultural importance. Kunefe is an important part of Hatay's culinary identity and is commonly enjoyed after meals. Money bag price. Approximately 150 to 350. Try 300 rupees to 700 rupees. Alarm clock best time to try. 8 pm to 10:30 pm. Fork and knife best place. A traditional kunefe shop in Antakya, Hatay. 1 o'clock shop timing. Many dedicated kunefe shops remain open into the late evening. Airplane travel tips and transport. Starting point, Istanbul. Take a domestic flight from Istanbul to Hatay Airport. Best departure, morning or early afternoon. Flight, approximately 2,100 to 4,500, try 4,200 rupees to 9,000 rupees one way. From Hatay Airport, take an airport shuttle toward Antakya. Shuttle, approximately 300 to 700, try 600 rupees to 1,400 rupees. From Antakya, take a taxi to your chosen kunefe shop. Taxi, approximately 150 to 400, try 300 rupees to 800 rupees. A local bus can also be used. Bus, approximately 30 to 70, try 60 rupees to 140 rupees. Finally, walk approximately 5 to 10 minutes to the shop. Walking free. Travel tip. Eat kunefe immediately after it is prepared. Its crispy pastry and melted cheese are at their best while the dessert is still hot. Final thoughts. Kunefe is a hot, crispy, cheesy, syrupy final that can turn an ordinary Turkish dinner into an unforgettable experience. Today's first Turkish dessert item is baklava. Fork and knife foodie description. Baklava is built from layers of delicate filo pastry, melted butter, and finely chopped pistachios, all baked until beautifully golden. Once baked, fragrant syrup is poured over the pastry, creating a contrast between crisp, flaky layers and rich sweetness. Gaziantep-style baklava is especially famous for its generous use of high-quality pistachios. Place-setting foodie intro. And finally, we arrive at number 1. A tray of golden baklava sits behind the glass counter. Each piece is perfectly layered, with bright green pistachios visible between delicate sheets of pastry. The first bite begins with a crisp crackle before the buttery layers melt together with sweet syrup and rich pistachio. This isn't simply dessert. It is one of Turkey's most iconic culinary experiences. Scroll history. Baklava has a long and complex history within the Ottoman culinary world. Today, Gaziantep is particularly famous for its pistachio-rich baklava. Fun facts. Traditional baklava can contain dozens of extremely thin pastry layers. Gaziantep is one of Turkey's most important destinations for authentic pistachio baklava. Cultural importance. Baklava is strongly connected with celebrations, hospitality, festivals, family gatherings, and special occasions. Offering sweets to guests is an important part of Turkish hospitality. Money back price. Approximately 400 to 1,600 per kilogram, 800 rupees to 3,200 rupees per kilogram. Premium varieties can cost more. Alarm clock best time to try. 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. with Turkish tea or after dinner. Fork and knife best places. Kokak baklava, Gaziantep. Another famous option is Imam Kada. 1 o'clock shop timing. Famous baklava shops generally operate from morning through evening, although exact timings can vary. Airplane travel tips and transport. Starting point, Istanbul. Take a domestic flight from Istanbul Airport to Gaziantep Airport. Best departure, morning. Flight, approximately 2,100 to 4,500, try 4,200 rupees to 9,000 rupees one way. From Gaziantep Airport, take an airport shuttle toward Gaziantep city center. Shuttle, approximately 150 to 300, try 300 rupees to 600 rupees. From the city center, take a local bus toward the historic area. Bus, approximately 30 to 70 try 60 rupees to 140 rupees. Alternatively, take a taxi. Taxi, approximately 500 to 1000 try 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees. From the nearest drop-off point, walk approximately 2 to 5 minutes to the baklava shop. Walking free. Travel tip. If you are a serious baklava lover, visiting Gaziantep is worth the journey. Try fresh pistachio baklava with Turkish tea and compare different varieties from traditional shops. Final thoughts. Baklava earns the #1 position because it combines craftsmanship, history, pistachios, delicate pastry, sweetness, and Turkish hospitality into one legendary dessert. That was episode 149 of Dynamic Expeditions. If you enjoyed this mouth-watering journey through the flavors of Turkey, let me know in the comments which Turkish food looked the most delicious to you. The most interesting comment will be pinned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Because in episode 150, we'll continue exploring even more amazing destinations, unforgettable flavors, and cinematic travel experiences from around the world. Adventure never ends. Every day at 7:45 p.m. only on Dynamic Expeditions. From the sizzling kebabs of Adana to the legendary pistachio baklava of Gaziantep. Keep exploring. Keep discovering. Keep traveling.